Welcome, Product Bakar listeners. Your host, Rishi here. Ready to fire up another insightful conversation about everything product? Today, we are diving deep into a topic that's been foundational to the software development for decades and continues to spark lively debates, and that is Agile methodology. Whether you are an aspiring product manager trying to break into this dynamic field or a seasoned pro navigating the ever evolving tech landscape, this episode is for you. So let's kick things off with the big why. Why is it so crucial for product managers to have a solid grasp of Agile methodology? First and foremost, Agile fundamentally shifts the focus from rigid long-term planning to delivering continuous customer value. As a product managers, our North Star is the user, and Agile, with its iterative cycle and constant feedback loops, ensures we are building what the user actually needs, not just what we thought they needed 6 months ago. Think about it. In a rational, traditional waterfall model, you'd spend months on detailed requirements, build for a long period, and then release. If something was off, it was a massive, expensive rework. Agile breaks this down into small, manageable chunks, so-called sprint, typically 1 to 4 weeks. At the end of each sprint, you have potentially shippable increment of a product. This means you get faster feedback, allowing you to pivot quickly based on market changes or user insights. It also fosters better collaboration and communication. Agile teams typically are cross-functional, meaning they have developers, designers, quality engineers, and product managers. All of them work hand in hand rather than in silos. This breaks down communication barriers, leads to quicker decision making, and ultimately a more cohesive and effective product. For a product manager, being embedded in this collaborative environment is invaluable for understanding the technical constraint, facilitating discussions, and ensuring everyone is aligned on the product vision. So now let's address the elephant in the room. We are living in the age of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming everything, from how we build software to the product themselves. So is Agile still relevant when you are developing AI powered products? My answer is resounding yes, even more so. AI and machine learning projects are inherently experimental and data driven. Requirements can be fuzzy, and you often don't know what you'll find until you start building the testing models. This is where Agile shines. It emphasizes on rapid prototyping, iterative development, and continuous learning. It's perfectly suited for uncertainty and evolving nature of AI projects. Consider this. Developing an AI model often involves a problem definition, which can evolve as you understand the data. Other is data acquisition and preparation, a highly iterative process of cleaning and labeling. Model development and training, a constant experimentation with algorithms and parameters. Model evaluation and refinement, iteratively improving performance based on metrics and feedback. Deployment and MLOps, continuously monitoring and updating models in production. So each of these stages benefits immensely from Agile's ability to deliver sooner, solicit feedback, learn, and adapt. Companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Amazon are heavily investing in AI. and they are leveraging agile methodologies to build and iterate on their AI products. For instance, Google uses data-driven and iterative approach for its AI ML projects, breaking down large initiatives into smaller, manageable sprints to incorporate feedback and test new ideas quickly. Microsoft used Agile for developments of Cortana, allowing them to adapt to market changes and user behavior by promptly adding new features. So far being from obsolete, Agile provides the necessary framework to navigate the complexities and rapid inherent in AI product development. To underscore the power of Agile, let's talk about some real world examples. Many leading companies have embraced Agile and seen incredible successes. I'll try to share a few examples, like Spotify. They famously adopted the Spotify model, a variation of Agile at a scale, with small, autonomous, cross-functional squads that foster innovation and rapid decision making. This has allowed them to constantly deliver new features and maintain a seamless user experience. Microsoft. Their shift to Agile, particularly Scrum, has been transformational, leading to more frequent releases and improved customer satisfaction for products like Azure DevOps and Windows. A great example is Lego. Even in the physical product world, Lego has used Agile to enhance creativity and respond quickly to market trends, leading to the popular products like Lego Ideas. Amazon. While they don't explicitly call them Agile, their approach embodies many lean and agile principles, focusing on small, autonomous teams and customer-centric delivery model. Their AI product recommendation engine is a great example of continuous improvement through iterative development. And what about the current products you might be using daily that are built with agile principles? Pretty much any major software application or digital services you interact with regularly, think about it. Mobile apps. The constant updates, new features, and bug fixes you see in the apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and your banking app are a direct result of agile development cycles. Few SaaS platforms, cloud-based software like Slack, Zoom, or Salesforce are continuously evolving, delivering incremental value through sprints and incorporating user feedback. Streaming services, Netflix, Disney Plus, and other platforms are constantly A/B testing, releasing new features, and optimizing their user experience based on data and iterative development. These companies and products thrive because of Agile allows them to adapt, innovate, and continuously deliver the value to their users. Now, for the actionable advice, if you are an aspiring product manager not yet exposed to Agile, where do you begin? I have laid out some basic pointers which you can look at. First is understanding the manifesto and principles. Start with Agile Manifesto and its 12 principles. It's the core philosophy. Don't just memorize them, internalize them. Second, Lean Framework. Scrum is a great start. Scrum is the most popular Agile framework. There are tons of resources online, books like Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in the Half of the Time by Jeff Sutherland, and certifications. Look at Certified Scrum Product Owner or Safe Agile Product Management courses. These provide structured learning and practical application. Third is hands-on experience. If possible, try to join a team that practices Agile. Even in a non-PM role initially, observing and participating in the sprint ceremonies like daily stand-ups, sprint planning, reviews, and retrospectives will give you invaluable practical exposure. Fourth is read and learn continuously. Follow agile blogs, podcasts, and thought leaders. Companies like Atlassian, Product School, and Mountain Goat Software offer excellent resources. Fifth is simulate and practice. Even if you don't have a real agile team, try to apply agile principles to your personal projects or even a daily task. Use tools like Trello or Jira to organize your work into sprints and backlogs. For seasoned product managers, you have likely seen Agile evolve. What should be your focus areas to stay ahead? First is mastering scale Agile framework. As organizations grow, scaling Agile across multiple teams and products becomes very crucial. Dive deeper into frameworks like SAFe or LESS, which is large scale Scrum, or Scrum at scale. Understanding how to align multiple agile teams towards a shared strategic vision is a key differentiator. Second is product vision and strategy in agile context. When agile is about flexibility, a strong product vision and strategy remain paramount. Seasoned product managers should focus on how to maintain a clear, compelling vision while allowing for the adaptive nature of agile development. This involves a strong roadmap communication and stakeholder management. Third is data-driven decision making and experimentation. You're already using data, but how can you leverage it more effectively within agile cycles? Focus on advanced analytics, A/B testing, and building robust feedback loops to inform your product backlog and validate hypotheses quickly. Fourth is coaching and mentoring. With your experience, you can become a powerful mentor for junior PMs and development teams. Share your knowledge of agile best practices, help resolve impediments, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Fifth is embracing AI as a tool. Understand how AI can augment your own product manager workflows. Think about AI for competitive analysis, user feedback analysis, or even generating initial user story drafts. It's not just about building AI products, but using AI to be more effective product manager. And sixth is go beyond ceremony. While ceremonies are important, seasoned product managers should focus on underlying principles and the why behind each agile practice. Are retrospectives truly leading to improvement? Is the backlog effectively prioritized? Are teams truly empowered? It's about optimizing the value derived from agile and not just checking boxes. So there you have it, folks. Agile methodology, far from being a relic of past, is more relevant than ever. It's the engine that powers continuous innovation, customer satisfaction, and rapid adoption in today's fast-paced product world, especially with the rise of AI. Whether you are just starting your product manager journey or you are a veteran navigating new frontiers, embracing and mastering Agile is a non-negotiable for building truly impactful products. That's all for this episode of Product Bakar. I hope this deep dive into Agile has fired up some new ideas and insights for you. Do share your thoughts and questions on our social media channels. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and keep making awesome products. This is Rishi signing off.